Hello everybody, this is Montgomery, and you're probably wondering why my closet door is open. Well, because I'm thinking about mounting my storm door closer back up. And yes, I have the cover on. See? Here's the plastic cover. We'll go ahead and we'll put this back on. So, yeah, I want to remount it. You can see the screw holes for this bracket. See this bracket? This bracket came down, and that one right there stayed up. Give me a little history. This hole right here stripped out, so it basically was really badly loose, I should say, and this one has a piece of metal in it. Here are some of the parts that I kept. I don't know what this is for. I think it's some sort of, this might be a fastener. I have a nail because the nail sticks through there and holds the closer to that position. I have the pin, which goes into the bracket up there. I have this screw. This screw that came out of this hole. Came out of this hole with the metal in it. Pick that up off the floor. And I also have a door stopper, because I'm going to be using that. See, that stopper works very well. I'm going to be using that. And I have the closer, which I'm going to be using that instead of this hold open valve. As you can see, this closer has a valve that can turn to hold open or not. But before I can even think about mounting it, I need to fix the speed screw. As you can see, yes, it is stripped, but there's another problem. It does not turn. It's stuck. So I have to find a way to get that to unscrew. So when I do, I will consider remounting it, but until then, that will be it.